Hi everyone. So today I'm sharing with you a quick deep breathing trick. When we make mudras with our fingers, we are not just doing a posture that's good for meditation. The mudras create energy circuits that influence how prana or life force moves through our body. So when combined with breath, it changes the quality of the breath and the nervous system response and the direction of awareness in your body. A good way of understanding this is through the elements associated with the fingers. The thumb is associated with Agni, which is consciousness. The index finger is associated with the air element. The middle finger is associated with ether. The little finger is associated with water. And the ring finger is associated with earth. So let's observe the direction of prana in our bodies as we practice this. We first touch the thumb and the first finger together, Gyan Mudra. As you inhale and exhale, observe the energy of the prana moving up into the chest. It's in this area, it expands the upper lungs and the chest area. Now, the middle finger and the thumb, take a deep breath. Exhale. The breath went more to your ribs and it expanded sideways. So it filled up the entire rib and the upper middle chest. Now with the earth finger and the fire finger, take a deep breath and exhale. You'll notice the breath goes deeper into the belly, into the abdomen area. And with the little finger, it goes all the way down to the pelvic area, which is the water element in your body as well. So you can practice this breath 2 or 3 times a day, and you'll notice that it just calms your entire nervous system down and it helps you detox the blood in the best way possible. Thank you. I hope this helps you breathe better.